Hi, Get the Gloss. I'm Hannah Martin, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your glow on this summer. So first things first, guys and girls, protection is key. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Shado Sun Expert Aging Protection Lotion, SPF 50 plus, and use a fair amount just to protect my skin from those harmful UVA and UVB rays. But as you can see, it's so deliciously moisturising that whilst providing excellent sun protection, it's already helping me get my glow on. I'm going to follow that with some By Terry Brightening CC Serum. This is in Sunny Flash, and oh my goodness, it's divine for simply adding a little bit of bronzy goodness to your skin before makeup, but saying that you can wear it in place of makeup if you so wish. I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers. I'm going to aim to do this in under 10 minutes. So just smoothing that beautiful Sunny Flash Brightening CC Serum from By Terry. How are we looking? Yep. The glow is coming. I'm then going to use just a little bit of the Hydrate, Protect, Renew foundation. Well, it's a hybrid foundation from Max Factor. I'm using the shade Medium, just a tiny bit. And I'll just dot that over the skin as kind of a light base makeup. I don't know about you, but in the summer months, I simply don't want loads of heavy coverage. If I want my skin to look as good and glowing and fresh as possible, then you want to be using lightweight hydrating products, which this is. And I'm just quickly smoothing it into my skin with my fingers, just checking that that looks all blended in. Oh, feeling better already. A little bit of concealer always makes me feel brighter. So I'm using the Laura Mercier Ultra Longwear Concealer. This is 2W, and I'll just take that into the inner corner of my eye. Of course, you can use this anywhere else you feel you have a little bit of discoloration. So I'll put some just at the front of my cheeks there. And again, for speed, I'm just going to blend by pressing with my finger. So I'm not pulling the delicate skin under my eye. I'm simply dabbing with the flat pad of my finger. I see when I teach women this, I often see people kind of dabbing with the very tip. No, just use the real flat of your ring finger to work that in. Oh, that's better. Just get rid of any excess in the inner corner. Now, I don't like too much powder in the summer months if I want to glow. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer to do the trick. And I'll start, as I always do, with my neck, just to make sure that the colour of my chest and the colour of my face are the same. And then using a really lovely big bronzer brush, I'm going to take some over the top of my cheeks, dusting back into the temples. There we go. Summer vibes are coming, aren't they? Thank goodness the sun is out. And then, of course, let's do a little bit over the forehead where the sun would naturally hit. And then just make sure you blend down a little towards the nose. Great. I'm going to dust the excess over my nose. Sweet. Now, for some beautiful colour, I'm going to be using this stunning Margarita Peach blush, which is part of my edit with By Me, which launches today. And look at that, for a soft, golden, peachy pink flush of colour. So pretty. You can use a little bit, as I am, or you can layer for more colour, depending on the impact you want. I love a bit as well, just over the bridge of my nose. And hey, while we're here, why not? Let's do a bit of a Caroline Hiren sweep over the forehead, shall we? There we go. I'm going to use a little bit of the Blink Brow Bar Brow Build. This is in Indian chocolate. Just to do a little bit of something through my brows. Now, in the summer months, I don't mind my brows being slightly more sparse and fluffy. I think there's something quite lovely and natural and slightly undone about it. So that's all I'm going to do, just to keep this makeup light and fresh looking. Before I go on, let me do a little bit of Ciate Disco Nap. This is a delicious lip balm. Use it at night as a nighttime treatment, but as I'm doing, you can use it throughout the day. That feels good. Now onto my eyes. I'm going to use some of this beautiful Colette Foil Copper Total Colour Metallic Eye Paint. This is also in my edit with By Me, just with my ring finger. I'm going to place that into the lower lid, bringing it very gently up through the crease of my eye. Pretty. Don't you love makeup that's quick and easy? And I'll tell you what, the colour payoff is so creamy. Oh, delicious. I'm going to top it though with this. This is the Kate Pearl Gold Total Colour Pearl Eye Paint, and it's a beautiful soft golden glitter. So I'm going to take that over the top. Ready for the ultimate summer glow. It's really pretty when you pop it really kind of into the inner corner of the eye. It really helps to bounce the light. It looks great on its own as well. I'm going to finish my eyes with a little bit of the new Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. Now, if you like lashes, then you're going to love this. There's this incredible trough in the wand which just holds significant amounts of mascara. So you will never fail but get gorgeous, luscious, long, dark lashes. Can you tell I'm a fan? And then all that's left for me to do is lips and highlight. So I'm going to turn the wand on its side and just do a little bit on my lower lashes as well. There we go. I can do it in seconds, which is great. How are we doing for time? 8 minutes, guys and girls. We're doing good. Don't know about you, but speed is of the essence in my world. Okay, for lip, I'm going to use, and I'm such a fan of this, it's the Olivia Bronze Rose lipstick from By Me. Beautiful, creamy nude lipstick. It works on all skin tones. Simply wear a deeper liner if you have a naturally deeper, warmer skin tone. And then the icing on the cake is this Maria Honey Gold Sheer Brilliance highlighter. You can use as much or as little as you like. If you want an intense glow, why not pop a bit all over? But I suggest you go over the top of your cheeks. I love a little bit just across the bridge of my nose. And then whatever's left on the brush, just sweep it under the brow bone. Let's do a little bit on my collarbones. Why not? I don't know why I whispered then. It's also quite nice just on the tips of your shoulders. But there we go. How to get your summer glow. Going to finish with a little spritz of the iconic Prep Set and Glow. And we're done.